I'm going to share how to fix trunk won't open for 2009 S80 T6 all-wheel drive. I believe some model also share the same design of the trunk design. There's no the back seat of those models can only be released through the trunk when trunk is open. So last October I went to change the tires. The mechanic complained that the trunk cannot open anymore. So the gentlemen over there already take turn to try to open, but not successful. I waited for so long, so I decided to take it home and figure it by myself. So I look between the window and the trunk. I saw there's a cable over there. So I wiggle the cable with a screwdriver, and finally I am able to open the trunk. So I release the back seat while I fixing all the time. Otherwise, I will end up with the same situation with the mechanics at tire shops. So I cut open the band area of the cable, and find there's a and notice there's several wires actually is broken. Maybe I'm not sure you can see it or not. So I using the black tape typed up. I thought my job is done, but actually job is not done, because after I tape and pull the wires, now the trunk completely not open. It's a completely is dead. So I keep cutting the insulation, and find, you see, the broken place actually is very close to the insulation area, the insulation place. Actually, I counted there's 5 wires, complete broken over there, and I don't know later what to do at the very beginning. So you have to think about it, because there's all 4 wires, all 5 wires are all black colors. And only notice there's one wire as a slightly thicker than the other 4 wires. So I connect that wires directly, and I put quick wire nuts, quick connector, quick wire quick electrical connector. Put on the one end, and labeled with A, B, C, D, and the other four ends of the wires are labeled with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I tried. Theoretically, there are 24 combinations for those four broken wires. So I tried one by one, and label on piece of paper, and try one by one. On 6 combination, I make it works. So I hook them together with the quick electrical wire and keep drying for another month. So to make sure everything is works. So once it works, the trunk light should turn off when trunk is lid was closed. Trunk was closed. Otherwise, it will drain the battery power. So after that, after months, I remove take those electrical connection out, and using the heat shrink the tubes and put them together. So looks another month coming, another month passed. Looks everything works fine, you know. With also, you know, I just temporarily using the black tape and to tie it up, because, you know, there's extra. I put the extra wires lengthwise the wire over there, so it then looks like, you know, it may not waterproof anymore. But using heat, but inside is heat shrink tubes, so should be fine. Should works fine, you know. So now, you know, another month already passed. There's still no trunk. There's no issue with the trunk lid. So I think I also lose there's a one retainer inside of the trunk lid. The closed one, I just make it loose, because otherwise when you close the lid, if somebody slams the trunk, there's a big impact on the wire. That's why all those wires broken at the same time, because the wire a little bit too short, I believe. There's a electric impact on those wires. That's why they're broken at the same time at the same location. Yeah. So I think that's all about this fix. So let's wait to test it to see if it works. Okay. Yeah, it works as should. It doesn't looks nice. It doesn't looks nice, but it works fine. Okay. Thank you.